So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under computer configuration, you want to expand Windows settings. And then you want to expand security settings. And now you want to expand local policies. And now you want to click on audit policy. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to double click on audit log on events. And you want to tick both success and failure. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in event viewer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand Windows logs. And then you want to click on security. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this and it loads up, now you want to click on filter current log. And now this will come up. And now you want to set the time range that you want to see of the logins and the shutdown. So you can see the logins and shutdowns from any time, last hour, last 12 hours, custom range, etc. And where it says all event ID, you just want to click this box. And now this will disappear. And now if you want to see the logins, you want to type in 4624. If you want to see the shutdowns, you want to type in 4634. So login is 4624, shutdown is 4634. If you want to see both of them, you could just type in 4624, 4634, which is for the login and for the shutdown. Now once you type in what you want, you're going to click on OK. And now it's going to appear. So everything that says 4624 is a login with the date and time. And anything that says 4634 is going to be the shutdown.